Okay, the tutorial for assignment 8-6 on Homer Simpson, and we're going to be putting in an image and making some changes to it. I've typed in Homer Simpson's job history, bolded and centered the title, put the text of the assignment in, and next we are going to insert an image. Actually a drawing. So I'm going to click on insert and I'm going to drawing. So I have the blank drawing screen. What we're going to do is insert a picture and then make some changes to it. So once again, in the drawing, I'm going to click on the image button. And we're looking for an image URL, which is the Universal Resource Locator. To get that, I need to go into Google Images. So I'm going to click on my search. Now what I've gone into is in Chrome. I've gone to Homer Simpson. I've typed that in and hit enter. And next I'm going to click on images. See, there's images up here, up above, on the top menu or on the left menu. So I'm going to click either one. Lots of good pictures of Homer Simpson here. Let's see if we can find one reasonably close. Here we go. Here's the exact one. I'm going to click on this one and right click the actual image itself. Copy image URL. If you recall, we need that to download it into the drawing window. I click and I go back to my document 8.6. I'm going to right click here, paste, and click OK. There we go. There's Homer in all his glory. Okay, so we're going to be doing a couple things. We need a purple mom tattoo, a red lightning bolt, an orange oval callout, and a green left arrow callout. Let's start with the orange callout. I'm going to click on the callout, oval callout. To duplicate it, okay, so I've clicked and dragged after hitting the call out. Now I'm going to double click on the actual figure and it's going to let me type in some text. So I'm going to write who, me, worry, question mark, and then notice down here it says use enter to save, use shift plus enter for multiple lines. So I'm going to hit enter because it's just one line, who, me, worry. Now again, notice it's blue. I'm going to single click it. I'm going to fill it with orange. Okay, now I've duplicated that one. Let's do the green left arrow call out. Also, we can move this around, make it smaller, change the size by using the handles on the corners and on the four sides. I'm going to put the other call out in. Click on the shape button. I'm going to do the actually, is this a, let's see, this is a actual left arrow call out. Okay, so I click on it. Now I click and drag. I'm going to make this bigger. Move this around. Notice it defaults back to the orange, but we're going to change that color later. I'm going to double click on it. Homer on the job at Springfield Nuclear Power Plant. I'm going to hit enter and it's going to insert that. Now I want to change this color, so I'm going to click on the fill button up here, fill color, change that to a green. Okay, so we've done the first two. Now let's move this around a little bit. We have a mom tattoo to put in. Let's not worry about the placement of these. We can fine tune this later. And a red lightning bolt. So let's go find that red lightning bolt. Let's click on shape. Let's click on shape and I find the red lightning bolt, or the lightning bolt, and I'm going to put that right on his chest. Notice I can flip that around by clicking on one of the side handles for the direction. In this case, we're not too worried about that, so I'm going to click on the shape, fill it with a red. Okay, and last, the mom tattoo. To do the mom tattoo, we're going to click on the text box. Click right here, just type in mom, all caps. Alright, so we have a mom. That's we're going to make a tattoo out of that. Now, I'm going to double click that and I'm going to change it using text color to purple. Okay, so we have the 4 elements. Let's move these around, kind of match the picture. Alright, I've added those 4 shapes, filled them, changed the color to match the picture, and then I'm going to save and close. Okay, now I have this picture. It's a little big, and in order to get it to work with the actual size, I'm going to make what is called fixed position. Notice that in line with text, that will put text above and below, but fixed position will allow us to move this around. And I'm going to resize, but take a look. Notice because of the editing we did that we cut off his head. Homer without a head is not a good look. So we're going to go back to edit. And let's see if we can recapture Homer's head. Let's see. Alright, we're going to try to recapture Homer's head. We're going to adjust his tattoo. Let's make this a little smaller. Make it a little easier to capture all of Homer in his glory. Alright, we've got everything just how we want it, and we did that by clicking on Edit. And we have it in fixed position. Now we can make the text wrap around it. I resized it a little bit. Made my position more exact. Alright, we got the 4 elements plus the picture of Homer. Edit, used to edit it to make some changes after we've done it. In line with text, if we only want text above and below our image, and fixed position will allow for word wrap, for words to wrap around it. Okay, have an instructor check your work and then close your tab.